Corp-Blsp Corp stock update. Should I buy more Corp-Blsp stock or hold more? I'll tell you more. Just stay tuned. It closed the session of the 1st of April at $0.0044, down 4.35%, and during that session it fluctuated within the 21% range, trading between $0.0041 to $0.0050, and about 31.5 million shares exchange hands. We definitely have a position in Corp-Blsp, and we can see it has a market cap of about $23.3 million. 5.3 billion shares are outstanding. And moving down, we don't seem to have found any current news concerning Corp-Blsp, but we can see that it currently lies between two bearish short-term trend lines, which are the 10-day and the 20-day trend lines. And then moving down, we can see that momentum is definitely flat. It's just flat on its tummy. It says it appears to be correcting within a longer term bullish trend, no doubt about that. The longer term is still bullish, so we still have some very minimal signal there, very minimal positive signal there. So meaning that we have not corrected over a very long period of time, thankfully, but it's just 31% above that bullish trend line, which is a 200-day trend line. So time is right now. These signals are just disappearing, and it's going flat right now. So momentum for Corp-Blsp is strongly bearish. Evidently, the 14-period slow stochastic is below 20 and flat. The level which many analysts call oversold. It means that there is investors have been actively selling shares and driving the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of the indicator is negative and suggests that there is a lack of buying interest. But volatility is still very strong. It says the Bollinger Bands are presently wider than usual, as a result of greater than normal volatility that have accompanied the recent price move. Events such as this may precede a pause or a reversal in the near-term trend. So as we indicated, there are very few positive signals, even though of late, yes, it's inched up a bit, so that's some hope. So what we are really relying on is just the fact that the stock is seriously bearish, correcting within a longer term bearish trend line. The short-term trend lines are still very much bearish, but indeed, even though I have to point out that the intermediate trend line is still very much bullish. So all in all, it has corrected, but not over the intermediate time period, over the 50-day period. It has not done that, So technically, it's most certainly, without any doubt, a buy. Most certainly a buy. Right now, volatility is still very strong, but the only thing that we are going to rely on is just the technicals. It is trading at a discount to at least its 20-day trend line, not to its 10-day trend line. So technically, there's a lack of buying interest. Volatility is also strong, so we are strictly relying on the fact that volatility is still strong and there is a lack of buying interest. So this is the time. It's getting very quiet and dull. This is the time to jump in, buy more, and consolidate. I know there might be some other issues. There's a huge float there, 5.306 billion shares. This is the time when people are exiting and not paying attention. This is time to buy. And already look at that. Some people have already done that. At this set of levels, you can see that. At this sort of levels, it was going back all the way to the 24th of March, 25th, and thereabout 26th. It was trading completely below all of its trend lines, and some people have gradually taken that advantage. So it is still just slightly above its 10-day trend line, pretty much the same price or thereabout. So easily, I would say buy more, hold. And we are still going to also buy more and hold in the coming sessions. So for us, on the technical level, and indeed fundamentally, Corp-Blsp stock is a buy. Okay, so if you're new to this channel, subscribe, like, and share. If you're already a subscriber, thank you very much for watching this video.